Hey everybody, it's Bob Hebert speaking with you today from sunny Southern California. I hope you're having an awesome start to your new year. Well, it's that time of year again. It's tax season. Yippee, right? Party time. Well, you should be getting your W-4s and 1099s in the mail any day now, and I simply wanted to talk to you about the benefits of a home-based, the tax benefits of a home-based business, just to share some tips and insights with you. First of all, in case you didn't know it, the government wants you to have a home-based business and to be an entrepreneur. We are the economic engine, or the engine that drives the economy, and they absolutely recognize that. And so a home-based business is definitely something that is endorsed by the government and the IRS. So this is absolutely a great time to be a home-based business owner. So first of all, just a little bit about the rules of engagement. You have 5 years to show a profit, meaning that you can have deductions, business deductions for say $3,000 worth of business deductions every single year, and on that 5th year you simply need to earn more than you deduct. It's simple as that. You just need to be able to show a profit by that 5th year. If not, then after that, then the IRS and the government calls it a hobby, and there's no penalty for that, but they disallowed further deductions after that 5th year. Now let me share a few tips with you. First tip that I would suggest is first of all, go find an expert. Go find somebody that's a preparer. It may be an accountant, it may be a preparer, whoever it is. And my suggestion is that it's not your brother-in-law. Okay, go find somebody who's not only experienced and an expert in tax preparation, but who gets a home-based business. Not all of them do. In my experience, there are a lot of preparers out there that will try to protect their incompetency by telling you that a home-based business is going to put up red flags. That's simply not true. You have almost 1,000 deductions available to you. You just want to find an expert who's knowledgeable with those deductions, who's got your back, and is going to support you in your venture. The second tip that I have for you is to keep good records. Be a good record keeper. Keep your receipts. Create a system. Maybe it's a software system, that you can use on your computer to record your receipts, or maybe simply like myself, I just simply use an envelope system. I put my receipts into an envelope for each month, and at the end of the year, guess what? It's pretty well organized for me. So, and another thing when it comes to records and receipts, a great idea is to create a separate bank account for yourself, and that is, under your name, your social security number. That's perfectly fine. Being a sole proprietor is okay. You don't have to worry about incorporating and so forth until you start creating some significant income. But create a separate bank account, not only for as an account to be able to keep your personal separate from your business expenses, but because you're going to need to make deposits. We're in business to make money, right? You want to deposit those checks and then have an account that you can draw your expenses, your office expenses, perhaps your cell phone, your marketing materials, your training materials. And by the way, that monthly fee from World Ventures to maintain your business, that's a tax deduction. It doesn't seem like quite a burden when you realize that you're going to be able to get most or all of that monthly fee back at the end of the year, so long as you keep track of it and you exercise your right as a taxpayer and a home-based business owner. The third tip that I have for you is to be a student of your business. Go out and learn about business management, about taxation. Read that book, listen to that audio, take that night class. Investing in yourself to become a savvy business person is going to pay you in a big way. Not only developing your business, but certainly at this time of year when it comes tax time, you're going to have your act together and you're just going to know more than other people might, and because you've invested in your business and in yourself. Now, let me just kind of create a real quick scenario for you. Let's say you spend 20 hours over between now and the time that you file your taxes. You spend 20 hours doing research, reading a book, asking some expert advice, and you spend another 20 hours pulling your receipts together, getting it all organized to be able to give to your preparer. That's 40 hours. That's a typical work week, right? What if you're able to get, and this is very reasonable, folks, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 or more back, cash money, in your pocket this year? You'd be paying yourself $50, $100, $200 an hour for that time invested. And I don't know about you, but that may be more than what your JOB may be paying you, right? So it is absolutely worthwhile to invest that time to be able to pull your records together, to learn about your rights as a home-based business owner, and to exercise those rights. Now, please do take some time. I have some additional tips and information in this newsletter. I certainly hope that you take the time to take advantage of that. And also, just as a reminder, we have an acceleration coming up on February 19th, 20th, and 21st in Phoenix, Arizona, and I absolutely look forward to seeing you there. I know I'll see you there, right? And we're going to have a great time. We're going to learn a whole lot, get plugged in, get energized by the incredible culture that's part of World Ventures, and I look forward to seeing you in Phoenix, and please take care and have a fantastic day.